In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the videos in Premiere Pro for Shorts, Reels or TikToks. So just go to the project panel and over here I have this video. So you can see this video is horizontal. So what I will do, I will click on this new items and I would click on the sequence, and that's going to open up the settings for the new sequence. And over here you will see the digital SLR. Just select this, make a selection of, let's say, DSLR 1080/30, and then go to the settings, and in the settings you can just change this frame size to 1080. Basically you want to reverse it, and the horizontal is 1920. Okay, and thereafter you can either save this preset as well. So click on the save preset and you can type it vertical video and press OK, and thereafter you can simply just give it a name and then you can press OK. And next time under the custom you will see this vertical video preset made for you. So thereafter next time you don't have to change the settings. Press OK and that would create a vertical sequence for us. Now I can drop my video on this and it's going to ask you this warning, select the keep adjusting settings. So over here I need to scale it up, so I'll go to the effects control and scale it up to resize it and reposition or readjust it to the proper place, maybe over here, and thereafter I can start editing. Or suppose you already have this sequence, so this is a horizontal sequence you have already created, already edited it. Now you want to convert it for shorts or the vertical video. So just go to the project panel, find this sequence, and thereafter right click and select on the auto reframe sequence, and then from here you can choose the size or the aspect ratio 9:16 for the shorts, reels or TikToks, and then you can click on the don't nest clips and thereafter click on the create. And if your video has the motion, then you can select the slower motion or the faster motion depending on your video, but it is a normal video, so I'll select the default and thereafter I will click on the create, and it's going to take some time. And you can see right over here on the corner you will see the analyzing for auto reframe. Once that is completed, it is going to give you the vertical sequence, and you can later on adjust it as per your own liking if you don't like the result. So once the processing is done, now you can see that it has given us the vertical video, or it has created the vertical video for us. And if you don't like any of the position, you can adjust its position later on by going to the effects control. So this is how you can edit the videos for TikTok, Shorts or Reels in Premiere Pro.
My best seamless transition pack. This transition pack has 400 plus elements, which includes transitions, LUT presets, motion graphics and title presets. These are very amazing and cool seamless transitions. You can easily use these transitions over your video. Just drag and drop and you are good to go. So if you are using the old default transitions, then stop using them and try this best seamless transition pack and take your videos to the next level.